There's my little Zoom Alexa. Okay, so now we got all kinds of little tidbits and we're running out of time. So I'm trying to be quick and get all the info to you before we're gone. I asked Maegen Johnson if she would hop on here really quick. I have a consistency challenge running for you guys right now that's weekly. And if you do all the weeks, you get a pretty bougie prize at the end. And I asked her if she would come talk to you about, I'm going to spotlight her. Hold on just a second. I asked her if she would come talk to you about consistency and why it matters and that little fun challenge. So Maegen, take it away.
All right. So, hi, everyone. I am going to talk to you about consistency and the coveted sparkle pens. When I first joined the company, she had these pens, and I have loved getting to collect more every year. They're super fun pens, but earning the pen is not just all that happens. You also get to earn this fun keychain, and I actually keep this keychain on my backpack. So if you're someone who doesn't have like keys, like some of us, our keys are remote starts and all that now, they're so cute as accessories on jackets, and they're just enough of a fun splash that someone is like, oh, do you sell Tupperware? And that same thing can happen and has happened when I pull out my pen to write something or sign something or do a note, and they're like, oh, you sell Tupperware? And I'm like, yeah, I sell Tupperware. But there's something else that happens. This is fun to earn. It's super fun to get to earn the pen and the keychains, but something else happens when you make a decision to go for consistency. Your business starts to explode. So I did a little math for you, and I had it double checked by other people. But here it is. So if you do consistency, you earn one pen every week, you guys. If you do consistency for all 5 weeks of the sales months, okay, that's easy math, 5 pens. And if you do all 5 weeks, you get the keychain. But the other thing that happens is you get some income. 5 parties, that's 2,500 in personal sales. With the personal sales volume bonus added on, that is a minimum of $775 that you are earning, you guys, in extra commission. And what that is really, that's like 1 to 2 parties a week. 1 to 2 parties a week, and you can bring that in. Consistency brings you income, it gives you growth, but it also helps you to keep your front door open. You want to be really careful right now when you're going into the holiday season, not to accidentally shut your front door and to tell people accidentally that you're closed for business. That happens a lot at times because we have such a mindset of, and I absolutely loved everything Candy just shared with gifts, and it is definitely a gift giving season, and I 100% agree. But if we can have gift giving and then also have a second mindset of what future sales are going to be and keep our door open, it's really awesome. And that can mean start focusing on healthy lifestyle, because what happens in January once the cookies are gone, everyone is focused on healthy lifestyle. And Tupperware has already pre-thought that, right? They have these sales going on that will promote baking cookies and spiralizing, right? And making zoodles and noodles and all those healthy things too. So start sharing on your Facebook feed that, hey, if you're thinking about getting healthy later, you want to grab those tools now. Shop for yourself now. Do you want to get your house organized once all Christmas is done? Hey, get on my calendar now. Let's get you some tools right now. But show people that you're in business for all sorts of things, that you're in business for Christmas, you're in business for healthy, you're in business for birthday gifts for January, you're in business for shopping for themselves. I find that most of my customers in December are shopping for themselves. They have shopped and bought everything they need for most of their family up to this point. And now they're saying, I've got a little money I can spend on myself. So while you're doing that, you're going to end up earning these really cute pens. This is going to remind you that you can rock your business and you can work hard and go for all 5 weeks. If you're sitting here right now and go, this week's out, you're lying to yourself. You have until December 1st to earn this first pen. I don't know what color it's going to be, but when you get this pen for that first time, you are going, You're going to love it for more than one reason. You're going to love it because you worked hard to earn it. And it's going to become a symbol to you that you can do hard things and you can do things that are outside of your comfort zone. So if you are brand new and sitting here, or if you are sitting here with an empty calendar, I want to encourage you, you can do it. You can reach out, get some help, and you can go book the parties and do the things, and you can earn this pen. It is not too late to earn the pen, and it is definitely not too late to earn that consistency keychain, which is adorable, by the way. Like, this is really cute. It's just super cute, and it looks classy too. And I want another one, so I'm working to earn another one because I want it for my jacket too. All right.
I think it'd be a really cute tassel, jacket tassel, like zipper pull,
Yes,
wouldn't it?
yes,
Like,
definitely.
I love that you just said that. I'm like, ooh, I didn't think about that. That'd be really cute hanging on like zipper pull. Like,
Yes.
anyway, that would be cute. Okay. Thank you. Thanks,
You're
Megan.
welcome.
I would say if you want to listen to somebody who's done a really good job of being consistent, she's a good one to listen to because she has consistently built her business. She consistently goes to work every single day. And I think that it shows in the success that she has had. So, I mean, clearly a good example of that. I am going to, I'm going to just do a segment thing here really quick.